Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the best stain remover spray for clothes instant, the Puracy Stain Remover Spray. Whether you're dealing with baby messes, makeup spills, or mystery blotches on your favorite shirt, this is the one product you'll want in your cleaning arsenal. Puracy has created a natural-based stain remover that comes in a compact 12 fluid-ounce spray bottle. What sets it apart immediately is its commitment to being both powerful and gentle. It's made without sulfates, parabens, bleach, or any harsh chemicals. Instead, it relies on plant and mineral-based ingredients, making it safe for homes with kids, babies, and even pets. From your delicate silk tops to those tough gym clothes and even your sofa cushions, Puracy handles it all without fading colors or weakening fibers. Behind this product is a team of chemists and PhDs who've crafted the formula with attention to both safety and efficacy. There's no fragrance added, it's completely unscented, which is great for sensitive skin and noses. Let's be real, stains don't wait for convenience. They happen at the worst times, whether you're rushing out the door or mid-travel. That's why this bottle is also travel-friendly. Slip it into your suitcase or diaper bag and you're covered for any mess, anywhere. The results speak for themselves. After one wash, most stains vanish, and your clothes look like nothing ever happened. It's like having a dry cleaner in a bottle, minus the toxic fumes or expensive trips. At the end of the day, Puracy's stain remover spray brings together convenience, safety, and serious stain-fighting power, all in one sleek, eco-friendly bottle. If you're looking for a reliable and natural solution to laundry messes, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next review. See you next time with more product deep dives you can trust.